Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to enhance your small business. As a small business owner, you're responsible for everything from marketing to customer service to bookkeeping to content creation and sometimes it feels like there's just not enough time in a day. Introducing ChatGPT, the AI-powered language model that can help you streamline your small business. If you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and colleagues who are small business owners like you and I. First thing you can use ChatGPT for is for customer service. Now you can use ChatGPT to automate the prompts that your customers give on your website. If they ask a query or make a comment or ask a question, ChatGPT automatically gives them a response depending on how you train it for your business. Give it the questions to answer, tell it what to tell people when they ask for this service or that service, and everything will be done for you. But this is a little bit technical. You need somebody to help you integrate the API of ChatGPT onto your website for this to work seamlessly. And with this, you don't have to be on your website 24/7. You don't have to be online every time. To your social media, with ChatGPT, you can generate ideas for your social media posts and captions. So for instance, or here on ChatGPT, I can just ask it to write 10 social media posts for me. So you can see that I asked ChatGPT to write 10 social media post titles for a restaurant. Assuming I run a restaurant and I ask it this question, see all what it has given to me that I can use. So things like this can give you an insight on what to do, so you don't have to struggle with your social media posts or titles. Number 3, ChatGPT can help you with your email marketing. So with your email marketing, it can help you craft the kind of emails that you should use. Assuming you want to write an email to a prospective or client, you can use a very good prompt. Okay, so how to come across with this ChatGPT prompt that is already here. If you're interested to know how to get your ChatGPT to show you these screens when you sign in, watch my video here. I explain in details how you can get this extension and install it on your ChatGPT and it will be there. So assuming I want to write a cold email for as part of my marketing campaign, what I just do is I'll come to the search button here and search for cold email. So cold email for your prospect. So when you click on this, you said, okay, what is the keyword? What is the keyword? What are you trying to sell to them? So you can see a beautifully written cold email that this prompt has helped us using ChatGPT to give. Okay, so what you just do here is copy it and filter. Remember, this is an AI tool. It's not meant to replace your entire knowledge, but it's just there to help you. So with this, you just copy this out into a notepad, into your email, and rinse it, shuffle it then before sending across to your prospective client. So we'll move on to the next one, which is content creation. ChatGPT can help you generate blog posts and ideas outlines, right? So you can equally ask ChatGPT to help you. Let's say I want to write an article, a blog post article about how to start a local business online. So with this, I believe you can understand what it can do there. How do you use ChatGPT for search engine optimization? So with ChatGPT, you can equally use it to optimize your website content. Content is king, and you're doing SEO without content is just like a waste of time. Okay, so it can even help you write SEO optimized content. Now, when it gives you this content, when it's able to generate this content, the best you can just do is just to add a human touch to whatever it's giving you according to the topic you're using for your keyword research. And with this, it can help you outrank your competitors. If you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe, like, and hit the subscribe button. In that way, you empower us to make more videos like this. ChatGPT can help you make a market research to get insight on data and on your target audience. So all you have to do is just to input the right prompt and you are good to go. Okay. When you search for market research and it brings you this, so when you use this base and you put your keyword here for the market research you want to do, let's say drop shipping. Okay, and it goes to work. So the downtime of this tool is just too much. So apart from market research, you can equally use ChatGPT to brainstorm. So I can come here and ask it, give me 5 startup ideas. ChatGPT for things like this, when you're trying to brainstorm, you can just say, okay, I have an idea about something. Okay, give me 5 startup ideas. I need to start to make a startup, and it's going to give you all these suggestions. So you just filter and rinse which one you think is more doable, which one you think is more actionable or more profitable. You can use ChatGPT to conduct SWOT analysis. Okay, ChatGPT is going to help you Porter's value chain and SWOT analysis. So all you have to do is enter the company name and the business idea or the company name. Whatsoever you input there is going to run and give you what it thinks you should do, right? So ChatGPT can be used also to write legal documents. So you have a contract with somebody, somebody wants to do business with you, you have a legal, you need to sign some papers. So as a business owner, as well as a small business owner, you don't have the budget to be contracting a lawyer or an attorney. So what you just need to do, come to ChatGPT and search for contracts. If you want your ChatGPT to be giving you this kind of interface where you have everything, you just search for with the keywords and it's going to bring out the prompts for you, then you have to watch my video here. Okay, you have to watch my video. When you watch that video, you're going to see how exactly I got this extension that I'm using that's making everything easier for me. So you want to write like a legal contract for a technology company or any of this on the ChatGPT, legal articles. Okay, you want to write legal articles, contracts and agreement, terms and conditions, terms of agreement for your business or whatsoever. ChatGPT's got you. So when you come here, you can generate all that document. So the ChatGPT can be used for advertising. When in terms of advertising, it can help you create and add copy and headlines that will grab your audience attention, which is the main thing you're doing in advertising. So if you say you want to run ads, it can give you options like the Facebook ads, hook generator, write a perfect Facebook ad video conversion, Google ad headline and description, Twitter, TikTok, and all of them. Google ad display responses. You can use this to write all your ads for the different platforms. You can equally use it in terms of the advertising to write the ad copy itself, not just the titles and the headlines, but equally the ad copy. Remember, it's just an AI assistant. What you do after that is you refine your response you got from it and go ahead with using it. So that's all for now. If you're still with us, please like, subscribe, and tell somebody about this video. So for staying with me up to this moment, I'm going to give you a bonus tip, and this bonus tip is going to be that ChatGPT can still be used in your business to translate. Assuming you want to target a different market, like currently I'm in Lagos, Nigeria, and probably want to target the market in Cameroon, or looking for clients in Cameroon, which is a French speaking African country. By the way, I'm using French because I just started a French class and Duolingo. So you can use this and put a text here. So I grab a text and paste it here and ask ChatGPT to translate for me. Without using this prompt, you can just ask it to translate this to French. I'll just ask it to translate to French. So from what you can see here, I just imputed the following is the 14th 147 meeting in Abuja. The Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank of Nigeria has decided to increase the interest rate and also known the monetary policy rate from 17.5 to 18%. And to convert it to French, this is what it has given me. Although it's specifically telling you that if you need a professional translation, but I think this will do. Now on to the next one, which is human resources. You can use with ChatGPT, you can create job descriptions, interview questions. You do not need to hire anybody to do this, so just ask it to write the job description of a graphic designer. And when you ask it to write the job description of a graphic designer or any other stuff like that, it's going to give you the job description of a graphic designer. If you want to ask it questions, like it should give you the questions that should ask in a graphic design interview, it's still going to do that for you. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comment section below which of these 10 ways you are most excited to try. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might also benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.